Welcome to Learning Arduino for Beginners, episode 29. How to upload sketches to your Arduino board using a smartphone or a tablet. Now, I am using an Android device here. You can do this as well with iPhones and iPads. That is a different application than what we're going to be using because I'm using Android, and I'm sorry I don't have any Apple devices. But it will work similar to this, so it still may help you to watch this video. Otherwise, there are videos on here on YouTube dealing with how to do this using your iPhone or iPad. Now, I am using a RCA tablet. I have also done this with my phone. Now, most devices nowadays, you can plug in what is called a USB OTG cable, and I have one right here. Now, if you're using an older device, some of them, they don't work with these, especially the older cheap devices. But if you're using something new, like I've got this tablet, this is only about a year old, and it works with this. My phone works with it perfectly fine, and it's not a super cheap phone, not super expensive. And the phone's about 2 years old, and this works with it. But years back, some of the older cheapo phones, like from Straight Talk and stuff, these just would not work with them. But if you're using anything newer, you should be fine. So that's what you'll need is an old USB OTG cable. Of course, you'll need your Android device. You'll need your Arduino that you're trying to program. And you will need the cable for plugging in your Arduino. As you can see, you can just plug that. Plugs into the OTG cable. That plugs your Arduino. This plugs into your charger, your USB slot on your Android device. Now, to get the sketches on here, actually let me open it up. Oh, and the name of the app that we were using is called Arduino Droid. And it is free. There is a paid version because there's some ads on it once in a while. But this basically works the same as your IDE on your computer. If you are going to be writing sketches on this, I do suggest getting a keyboard. Now, with the OTG cable, you can use your USB, even your wireless ones. You can plug them in and use your wireless keyboards. But I find it a little easier. Just get one of those little Bluetooth keyboards, the small ones. And it's actually about the size of my tablet. And it also has a little mouse built into it, kind of like trackball mouse. Now, to get the, the main reason we're going to be using this is, say you have a greenhouse and you've got an Arduino in there controlling the temperature and the watering and everything, or you've got your sprinkler system set up and controlled with your Arduino, and that's in your garage or garden shed. It would be kind of difficult. You don't have to bring your entire computer out there to plug it in to update the sketch or whatever you need to do. Maybe you had to replace an Arduino board or replace a part. Instead of having to bring everything in, program it in-house, and go back out, put it together, it's way easier just to use your tablet. Now, some people are going to say, well, I've got a laptop. Well, not everybody has a laptop, but nowadays, almost everybody's got some kind of tablet or phone. If you don't, well, you probably ain't watching this video anyway. But that's the main reason to use it. It's convenient. It's handheld. You put your sketch on here, go out, just hold on to this, have it plugged in to your Arduino board, upload the sketch, you're done. You can make changes to it. You can even access the serial monitor. This has a serial monitor built into it. Like I said, this is just like the Arduino IDE on your computer. Now, to get the sketches on it, there's two ways to do this. One means you already got your USB OTG cable. You can use a memory stick like this. And I'll show you here. We go down and we go under File. Oh, wait. My bad. It's not under File, it's under Sketch. And then you go under Open, and you have here, just like on your computer, you can do Recent. Or it's got From Device, which that's if you have this on there. Or you can use your computer data cable that you usually get with your devices nowadays, or buy separately. So you can plug your Android into your computer. You can upload the file that way. Or use the USB drive, thumb drive. Or, this has a real cool feature built in, you can use Dropbox or Google Drive. I usually just use the Google Drive because I store a lot of stuff on there, and it's just convenient. Go from the computer to here, don't have to mess around with USB stick. If I'm somewhere where there is no internet connection, yes, then I will use the USB stick, but it's awesome. Just go ahead and use your Google Drive, or if you have Dropbox, whichever one you use. But yeah, it's almost identical to your computer's IDE. Oh, one more thing before I forget. Any libraries that aren't built in your IDE, like on your computer, any that you had to load, you're going to have to do the same on this. This has all your standard libraries that are built in your Arduino IDE and your computer will also be on here. But if you had any that you added, like IR remote or something like that, you can either use your thumb drive or your USB data cable to your computer. Unfortunately, you can't use Dropbox or Google Drive to put these on, but you can also do like your computer, use managed libraries and go through and search for it. You just go under the available, and just like your computer, you search for it. I'm not going to sit and wait for it to load up. Let's go back here. But also, all of your sketches, your examples, let's see here. There they are right there. All your examples like you have on your computer's IDE are on here as well. All right, I think we've went through enough of the basics on this. The best way to learn how to use this is just open it up and play with it. I would recommend playing with it before you connect your Arduino to it, and that way you're not accidentally uploading something wrong. And of course, too, like just like your computer, you do have to choose your board. That is under Settings. Then you go Board Type, and then you select Arduino, and then you choose which board that you are connecting. And I'll show you the board. I'll connect it here to show you that it works. I plug it in there. There, it just recognized USB device attached. Now, I've had it attached before, so it's already done the menu. It pops up, do you want to allow it to access this? So that'll only happen the first time you connect it. But yes, as you can see, it does work. All right, with that, we'll go ahead and wrap this up then. So I would like to thank you for joining us here today. Please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it big time. Hope you have a great day. Hope to see you here again in our next episode. So have fun building.